Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given product of its prime factors for two numbers. Find the LCM, lowest common multiple, of these two numbers. So pretty straightforward. I would then have to choose the common prime factors that has the largest power. So in this case here, I will have to choose the 2 power 2 and 2 power 2 does not matter, they are the same. Three compared with 3 power 3, I will choose 3 power 3. 5 square with nothing, I will choose the 5 square. 7 with nothing, I will choose the 7. And this will give me a value of 18,900. The greatest integer that will divide both exactly. So this one we are looking at HCF. So for HCF, we are looking for the prime factors that has the lower power. If they are the same, it does not matter what we choose. 2 power 2. We are going to choose 3, which is smaller than 3 power 3. 5 power 2 and nothing, no common one. 7 also no common. So this will be the answer, 12. Moving on, to make sure that this K, where 756K is a perfect cube, this means that all the powers of the prime factors must be divisible by 3. So 756K, 756 already have 2 power 3, 3 power 3 and 7. Two power 2 times 3 power 3 times 7 times this K. And the final answer, I do want to make sure that the powers all are be able to be divisible by 3. And therefore, from the observation, this K has to contribute 1 more 2 and 2 more 7. So that this one will become 3, 3, 3. All divisible by 3 already. So the answer is 98. The smallest integer p, where 300p is a multiple of 756. And so this tells me that once I have a smallest, this lowest, and this is a multiple. So we have to make use of the lowest common multiple here. Okay? Such that this 300p is indeed the LCM. And of 300 and 756, and we happen to have that right at part 1. This is the lowest common multiple. So in this case, right, 300p, since we know that it is a lowest common multiple, and we already gotten the lowest common multiple, now we just need to divide. And we will get the answer. So p equals to 63. Part B, the highest common factor and lowest common multiple of 3 numbers currently is 6. So this will be the HCF, and this is the LCM. Find the largest possible value of x. And so from here we do need to do some observation from the prime factorization. So I'm going to just list out the prime factorization of the numbers. So to help us, I'm going to list out the prime factorization of all the numbers. In this case, 300. $756, X we don't know, but we do know their HCF is equals to 6, which is 2 times 3 is 6. Their LCM we also know previously, in this case, which is 2 power 2, 3 power 3, 5 square, and 7. So from here, I do need to make sure that as long as we have these two smallest must come from somewhere. It does not come from 3 power 2 square from 300. It also does not come from 756. It has to come from somewhere. Where should these two come from? Yes, it comes from x. As for this 3, it can come from 300. It can also come from x. And since it comes from 300 already, and we do want the largest possible value of x, so I go all the way to the max. Okay, this 5 square as well, since it already comes from 300, I can also go all the way up to for x as well, so that when I choose the LCM, I choose 5 power 2. Same goes for 7, because our target is to find the largest possible value of x. And therefore, final answer, this one will actually give me 9,450. We have come to the end of this video, so if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.